Hello guys, Brad here again with another fragrance review. And on Monday, I had tested a fragrance called Aedes de Venustas. And today I have the other sample. Like I mentioned before, I have two of these right here. Um, and the one I'm wearing today, I believe, is the La Artisan version of Aedes de Venustas. And that one is classified unisex, an Oriental Woody, and came out in 2008. The notes in the top: orange, pink pepper, cardamom, and incense. In the middle notes we have black pepper, rose, iris, and cedar. And in the base, patchouli, coffee, apopanox, benzoin, moss, vanilla, and white musk. So now this one is a lot different than the one that I wore on Monday. The one I wore on Monday was more of like a green rhubarb, berry, fresh kind of a feel. This one, very dark, primal, kind of mysterious kind of a scent. To me, it has more of like a leather quality to it. I imagine maybe going to like Africa, maybe walking to some kind of an exotic goods shop that sells like hides and animal heads, maybe wood carvings, things like that. It just definitely does have like an exotic, dark appeal to it. Um, Now the notes here mention it says pepper. To me, it doesn't have a traditional pepper smell to it, and the incense doesn't have a traditional incense um, feel to it either. It's more like a leather, um, musky kind of a thing. When I say musk, I mean more like an animalic musk. That's what I'm getting out of it anyway. And it's kind of growing on me a little bit. I mean, just from the 1 ml sample, when I first applied it, I thought, wow, this stuff's kind of strange and really dark and mysterious and really not my thing. But as I started to wear it and smell it more and more, it's kind of growing on me quickly. It started off maybe like a 4 out of 10, and now I'm kind of leaning more into the thumbs up category with this one. And it kind of reminds me of this other fragrance that I've smelled. A coworker of mine at the hospital wears a fragrance called Vince Camuto. Kind of has that vibe to it as well. And that one also is a very like animalic leather fragrance. And this one very similar, I think, to that one, but maybe a bit more mysterious and a bit more exotic smelling, but not overly so. So let me get into some scores here. The smell, I'll give it 6 out of 10. Uh, it might take a little while to get used to, but I think a lot of people will warm up to this one uh, if you like the animalic leather kind of fragrances. Projection longevity. No, I didn't really give this one a very good wearing. I just kind of put some on my left arm, and I didn't think it was anything overly special there. I'll give it 7 out of 10. I'll say maybe 3 to 5 hours on this one. Versatility. I think you can probably wear this one on a date, and even as a day wear scent. Probably would be better for cooler weather though because of its darkness. 6 out of 10 for versatility. Uniqueness, I'll give it 8 out of 10. I originally was thinking about giving it a perfect score for uniqueness, but when I started to pick up on that Vince Camuto similarity, I thought, I'll give it 8 out of 10 for uniqueness. And price point, $185 will get you the 100 ml bottle. So it is up there in terms of price. 3 out of 10 for price point. Overall, I think this one deserves 6 out of 10. I kind of like this one. Just from one wearing, it's quickly growing on me, and I could see if I had a full bottle of this, really starting to like it. Maybe if I had it more chances to wear it. But just off of one impression, it's okay, but probably not anything that I'll be pursuing anymore. So thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys later.